Little crazy, little sexy, little cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left to center, and it's right where I belong. I'm the random mind, and don't you hear in major songs.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing my first ever BoxyCharm unboxing. This is actually my second month with BoxyCharm. So far I've been loving it. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly subscription where you will get 4 to 5 or 4 to 6 full-size items of beauty care. And they also have a skincare limited edition line that's going to be coming out this month, I believe. And I pay $21 or $24, one of them. So far I've been loving it. I've seen probably about 3 or 4 unboxings of BoxyCharms for this month. So I already know what to expect. And I also received an email of the palette that I'm going to be getting, or that everyone got in this box. So I'm really excited to try it. I really don't have anywhere to go today, so I don't know if I'm actually going to be doing a try on today. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. As you can see, my hair is twisted because I just washed it recently. I just washed it yesterday, and it was really rainy today, and I don't see a point in taking out my twist out if it's just going to get messed up. So I just left it twisted. And, you know, the longer they stay twisted, the more defined they are as well. Anyway, so the video is not about my hair. It's about BoxyCharm. So let's unbox it. So I already know off the back that the palette is called Peace, Love, and Boxy. This is a little card that comes in every month of the theme of BoxyCharm. And already I see something that I wasn't expecting. Let's see which variation this is. I got variation 6. So I was really looking forward to the felt tip eyeliner because I wanted to try something different. But instead of the felt tip eyeliner, I got a Bodyography Bali Brazil eye pencil. And it's just this kind of golden brown. This retails at $14. See. Yeah, I really just don't know if I will ever use this. If I do, I might more so use it as a lip liner, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So then something else that I got is the Appeal Cosmetic Holographic Lip Gloss. Retails at $21. You can see it's very shiny, very glittery. I like lip glosses, so I don't really mind this. I would love to add to my lippy collection because I am a very minimalistic and like very new to makeup. So I do kind of want to add some variety to what I already have. So, but you know, and I have tons of shimmer lip gloss. So yeah, let's see. It's pretty though. It's very pretty. You can't really tell on camera the kind of purple tint it has going on to it. It's very pretty though. I don't know if you can tell on camera. I could use that. I'll use that. Then something that everyone got was the 3-piece brush set from Luxie. These brushes are very pretty. As you can see, they have like the ombre effect going on. I really do like ombre brushes. I mean, my whole brush set is pretty much kind of ombre. I got those from Vanity Planet, and then there's some other brush sets in there that I got randomly. And then the brushes that came in last month's BoxyCharm set as well is in there, and they're really pretty. They were like this rose gold. Yeah, so they were really pretty. But these are very pretty. I like them. Very soft. And these are eye brushes. This one is a large shader brush. This one is a small contouring brush. And then we have a small shader brush, which for me personally, with this particular type of brush, I like to use for my inner tear duct, like right there, because it's just like perfect for that shape. Just boop, pop it right in there. So another thing that everyone got was the Artist Couture highlighter. Retail price is $27. So I got Purple Dream. And this is the packaging. Really cute, really cute. Very golden. I really like that it has the shifter in there, or the sifter in there, so you can close it or open it. Because all of my highlights that I do have in like a palette. So I've never used a loose highlight. So this is actually my first. Thank you, Boxy Charm, for that. All right. So I'll see how that, plays out. I think this lighting might make me a little bit too orange. It is a fluorescent light, I believe. No, it's not fluorescent. I don't know. But so now for the star of the Boxy Charm box. This is the Pure Festival palette, and this retails for $36. On the back, it does show you all of the colors here and gives you all of their names. Like I said, I have seen this already. I knew this was coming. I got the email for it. So I was really excited about that because I don't really have very bold eyeshadow palettes because, like I said, I'm very minimal when it comes to makeup. And if I do like a color, I usually like downplay it a lot with like just some like neutral shades or maybe like a glitter or gold. So I don't really do like bold looks. So I'm going to have to look for some inspiration on what to do. Like I said, I'm very new to makeup, and when it comes to, oh my gosh, wow, you guys, the email, I don't want to blind you, the email about these colors and me watching other people's videos did not do these colors any freaking justice. And I'm pretty sure that my video might not do it any justice either. But these colors, when I tell you, are so beautiful. They are so freaking beautiful. So I'm just going to swatch 5 of them. Do the fireworks. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And I just literally, like, I want to show you guys. I don't want to blind you with the mirror. But, like, let's do this one. Literally, like, just like a freaking touch. It's so beautiful. I love purple, so. Ooh. And let's do Good Vibes. These are all so pretty. And we'll do one more, Hidden Desert, because that will be like a crease color for me, a crease shade. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty and they're so pigmented. So yes, okay. So even though I did not get the variation that I wanted, I was most excited about the palette, which everyone knew that we were getting. I was excited about the loose setting powder highlight because I do not own one of these. The brushes, being that we got brushes last month, I was kind of like, okay, so we're getting brushes again. And then also the Brazil eye pencil. I meant the Bali Bronze eye pencil. I just don't know. I just don't know about it. I'm going to wipe this mascara off, and I think I'm going to do a look. I'm going to look for a little bit of inspiration real quick, And then I'll go ahead, since I already know what I have, I can go ahead and apply my face. And then we'll go from there and we will see how all of this looks, because I'm kind of excited. And I might need to go in and change my preference of like what I would like to receive in my box. When you sign up for BoxyCharm, they give you a survey to take, and it basically asks you what you would like to get in your box. Like, what's your 1 through like 11 or 12 or something like that, and you number them. So I might need to go in and kind of rearrange my numbers, because me keep getting these lip glosses, and yeah, like, I mean, I want some lippies. I want to improve that. So yeah, I know they come with a whole lot of different variations, but this variation is actually one I have not seen on YouTube. So yeah, variation 6. All right, so that's enough of me chatting. I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup and show you guys what I came up with before ending this video. All right, I know I look very cakey right now, but I found the look that I'm going for. Let's do this. Is that better? No, it's not. So I found the look that I'm going for. I'm going to pop it on right here. So I'm going to attempt that. And I am baking right now because of, so I am baking right now because of, them to my eyes. So I know I look very crazy and cakey, but don't worry, baby. I'll soon be back. All right, y'all. So this is the look that I got. This is the look that I created. Well, I didn't create. This is the look that I kind of mimicked from another picture. I really don't know what palette that this person used, but the colors were there. They were all in this palette. So I just went with it. If I say so myself, I love it. I love it. Okay. It's like, it's not my everyday type makeup. Let me try to change this lighting. All right, so let's see. Is that a little bit better? Okay, I think that's a little bit better. So it's definitely not my everyday style of makeup, but I really love it. I really feel like it's just like beautiful. I love purple, violet, all of that. So like, that's one of my favorite colors. So I can really dig this. Let me, y'all, when y'all do y'all makeup, focus. When y'all do y'all makeup, I mean, I can't be the only one whose vanity is like a mess, because I just put stuff everywhere. So the shades that I used in the palette, I went into my crease with Hidden Desert. I used the Gypsy above that, and then I used Wow Chow on my corners. And I just buffed that out. On the inside of my eye, I have Fireworks. And on the lid, I have Sunset. So, show you guys again. And under here is, my under eye is Gypsy as well. I think it's very beautiful. I really like it. You know, comment down below if you like this look, if it's, you know, something that you would wear. Like I said, I probably would not wear this on an everyday basis by far, but today I might go to the store with it because my hair is like not done. I mean, this would be a cute look for me to wear, you know, with my curly hair out and everything. I think it's beautiful now too. But also what I did notice is the Artist Couture. In the packaging, it looks very golden. But once it's applied to your face, it really has like a violet, iridescent like glow to it. It's kind of purplish. Can you guys see there? Yeah. It's very beautiful. Like everything just came together beautifully. The gloss, the gloss with this holographic lip gloss, it has like a very purple tint to it. I did line my lips. I put a matte lippy on first, and then I applied this. And I just feel like it's just beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. So overall, I got to say that I am very happy with the box. Oh, even though this was not the variation that I originally was hoping for. The only thing that I probably won't use out of the box is that eyeliner. And makeup can be expensive. So if you're just getting into makeup and you kind of want to build your collection of makeup, BoxyCharm is definitely a good way to go. So I would suggest it. If you like this video, if you love this look, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I do all different types of things here. So subscribe if you would like to see more videos of me. And if you would like to see more makeup looks from me, comment that down below as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh my gosh. Oh my God.